What's up guys, and it's all here. We have the official press images of the Samsung Galaxy S10 and Galaxy S10 Plus. Not only that, we get to look at all the official colors that will be available at launch. So that includes the emerald green color, pearl white color, and your usual black color. Along with these official images, we also have some official information. So Galaxy S10 is indeed coming at 6.1 inches. The S10 Plus is coming at 6.4 inches. Both are Quad HD displays. We have dual punch hole on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus because it has two front cameras, while the Galaxy S10 just has a single punch hole for that single front camera. Now towards the back, we have three cameras in horizontal position along with the LED flash and heart rate sensor. We've got an ultra wide angle lens, a telephoto lens, and a normal wide angle lens. If you look at the button placement, the power key is indeed placed higher compared to the Bixby key, and again, that is to prevent the accidental Bixby presses. The design overall looks amazing. Like, this is definitely very futuristic looking phone. But then of course there is still the chin right there. It does stand out because the side bezels of the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus are extremely minimal. So in comparison, the chin on the Galaxy S10 is actually on par with the other phones such as the iPhone 10, and it's actually a little bit slimmer than the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, as I've shown you guys in that previous video. But overall, this is just an incredibly futuristic design in my opinion, and with all this amazing stuff happening, these phones still rock a headphone jack, and for that I have a mad level of respect for Samsung for keeping their word. They made fun of Apple, but they stick to their words. They didn't back off. They didn't lose the headphone jack with their flagship phones. They're still rocking it, and it's just overall an amazing flagship release. If you look at the colors, the emerald green, pearl white, and black colors will be the three colors that will be available at launch. After that, we'll see more colors in the future, especially the blue version of the Galaxy S10 family. There will be a yellow color as well that is set to be exclusive to the Galaxy S10 Lite, which is sadly not been included in this leak. So hopefully we'll see the leak regarding the S10 Lite soon, because that one is set to have two cameras on back and a flat infinity display instead of an edge infinity display. And it's also said to rock the fingerprint scanner on the side instead of inside the display. So that is also a difference there. So hopefully we'll see some leaks regarding the Galaxy S10 Lite as well. All in all, this is your official press images look. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. Also, we got some battery leaks that might be slightly less exciting. The size for the S10 in the report is set to be 3300 mAh instead of 3500, and 4000 mAh for the S10 Plus instead of 4100 mAh, and 3000 mAh for the S10 Lite instead of 3100. So slightly lower battery sizes. Again, we'll see the actual battery sizes pretty soon as we are approaching the official unveiling date. But even with these battery sizes, I expect the Galaxy S10 family to perform better compared to last year because of the latest generation 7nm Snapdragon 855 chip / Exynos 9820. These babies will be very battery friendly. As always, I'll be testing them out in the battery day test here on this channel, so make sure to subscribe for all that content. Also, very soon you will be seeing a first actual 1TB storage Samsung smartphone. Samsung is now mass producing the UFS 2.1 based 1TB storage. There's a very high chance that we could see it inside of the 5G Galaxy S10 model, which is coming somewhere in March, or it could be inside of the foldable phone. If not these two products, then we can definitely expect it to happen on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 later down the year. After all, the Note 9 was the first phone that had the full ability to go 1TB, because Samsung offered a 512GB model of the Galaxy Note 9, and with Note 10, Samsung can actually offer a full-on 1TB Note 10 variant. And again, it's not just the storage increase, the read and write speeds are really fast as well. Now, speaking of 5G Galaxy S10, once again a new rumor points to a 3D Dof sensor. The 5G model will rock an extra 3D camera sensor on the back in addition to the already great 3 cameras. This will be for AR and VR purposes. You'll be able to create your own augmented reality, for example, trying out new clothes in AR. 3D face mapping will be much accurate as well, things like that. The camera is already packed with features. We have a wide angle, ultra wide angle, as well as a telephoto lens. I think it's more than enough to play with, but in addition to this TOF sensor, it's gonna be a 1 beastly combination, and it's exclusive to the 5G Galaxy S10 Plus. And thanks to a new Bluetooth certification, a brand new Galaxy Earbuds could be unveiled alongside the Galaxy S10. The Galaxy Buds will have more storage as well as more RAM compared to the Gear Icon X. Also, Samsung has built a brand new ISOCELL T32 camera sensor that can be used with phones who will utilize the full screen design, especially the whole design. The specialty with this sensor is that it is incredibly small and is built for the future smartphone design. It offers resolution of 20 megapixel for both front and back sensors. According to Samsung, this new ISOCELL T32 sensor will be in mass production in the first quarter of this year. So its smaller sensor means that the hole could get smaller in size for the future Samsung flagship phones as well as with the future Samsung mid-range phones. And finally, we have to talk about this. A new Samsung patent while Let's Go Digital is out that shows a foldable tablet with D-pad and keys, giving you a controller for the gaming setup. When it's folded, it's like a normal tablet, but if you unfold it, it can become an even larger tablet with a controller. It's almost like a foldable console with its own controller specifically for the mobile gaming, as we have seen that games on mobile platform is getting better and better, so this thing can actually be a great product for some future time. It's a very interesting insight of what could happen if Samsung really push its foldable technology. I mean, these are some really innovative ideas that could make more sense in the future. Again, the foldable phone from Samsung is about to get announced along with the Galaxy S10 family in San Francisco at February 20th. So thank you so much for watching this video. That's all that we have currently on the Samsung Galaxy S10 family. This is the new pearl white press image. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. And if you're new here, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.